Are you looking for a retirement lot or a lot perfect for family building? Well, baka mapasa inyo na ang reopened lots ng Solen Residences that is way below the market value. So as you can see, at my back is the Medical City South Luzon. Bakit ko nasabi na perfect retirement lot or for family building? Kasi katulad ng Zadia nila, nasa gitna din ito ng triangle. Meaning, you're very accessible with the South Luzon Expressway exit going to Manila and going to the hospital, the Medical City, just 2 to 3 minutes away, and the commercial area which is Paseo de Santa Rosa. So i-take nyo yung opportunity na to dahil iikutin natin ang mga reopened lots at baka para sa inyo na to with a long down payment term at 0% interest. Kaya punta na tayo sa Solen Residences. Umpisahan natin dito sa pick or sa point A, which is at the Medical City, South Luzon. Start ulit tayo sa the Medical City South Luzon. Actually, in this area, located din ang Paseo de Santa Rosa, papunta kay Solen Residences. Ang dami na nating video kay Solen Residences. Actually, yung bago nilang phase na nag-o-offer ng minimum lot cut of 150 square meters, open pa rin po siya, pero magfo-focus tayo ngayon sa mga reopened lots na higher than 150 square meters, lalo na if you're looking for a bigger lot cuts, kasi sulit po ito dahil below market value or below price per square meter kung magkano yung current or existing offering nila ngayon sa mga lot projects ni Greenfield dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hindi po ulit namin puputulin yung video. Actually, medyo mabagal pa nga po kami mag-drive, no? Para at least mas ma-feel nyo yung area. And nakikita nyo, no, lagi itong nasa video ko, itong Greenfield na kanilang commercial business district. Actually, fully sold out na po to. Meron pang 3 natitira. Pero para makita nyo din on how accessible Solen Residences and other lot projects of Greenfield dito sa happenings. Ang mahalaga kasi talaga, no, kapag may retirement lot tayo or nag-build tayo ng family, malapit siya sa school just like this, malapit sa UST Laguna, De La Salle University, Xavier and Miriam College. Malapit kung nagtatrabaho tayo, of course, pupunta tayo ng NAIA sa SLEX exit, sobrang lapit lang din ni Solen. And of course, very important, yung hospital for emergency purposes. So, ang daming malapit kay Solen, and lagi ko tong sinasabi sa clients ko, no, yung bibilhin nyo na property, kung saang location yan, forever na yang nandyan. Hindi natin mapapalitan kung nasaan yan, no? Forever na yang nandyan. Kaya dapat we have to think long term. Kung magkano yung i-spend natin for transportation, for time, energy, and effort. Of course, mas gusto natin, mas hindi tayo ma-traffic or makaka-encounter ng traffic kasi malapit na lang po sa lahat yung kung saan tayo nakatira. But still, no, mafe-feel pa rin natin yung exclusivity, yung peace and quiet dahil naka-design si Solen Residences na kahit malapit tayo sa lahat, strategically po yung master plan community niya, pag nasa loob na kayo, tahimik na talaga siya. Actually, 2 minutes lang tayo nagde-drive, no? 2 to 3 minutes lang, nandito na tayo agad sa area ni Solen. If nakikita niyo yung mga orange barricade, tapos yan yung malaki na Solen Residences, no, na tarpaulin, ayan na po agad si Solen Residences. And then we're trying to enter from here, papunta po kay Solen Residences. So, magle-left na po tayo. At ang maganda kay Solen, yung community niya naka-atras ng konti. Hindi siya malapit sa road. So, talagang atras lang ng konti, madadaanan natin yung mga trees para iwasan noise pollution and other pollution na na-emit po ng cars, no, or napoproduce ng cars. So kahit nasa perimeter lot kayo, you don't need to worry. Kasi kahit nasa perimeter kayo, yung kabila ng perimeter, open space lang siya like this. Hindi siya road. So magpapaalam na po kami sa Solen Residences gate and then mag-start tayo para ikutin natin yung 4 reopened lots. Nakapasok na tayo sa guard pero umusog tayo ng konti. Nilapitan natin tong clubhouse because I want you guys to see, no, kung gaano kalapit yung magiging first lot sa clubhouse and then dito sa ating main gate or main entrance. So kung natatandaan nyo kanina, dito tayo pumasok, di ba? Yan yung may car na yan, yung parang mini jeep. So ayan yung main entrance niya. And then, unang kanto pagpasok nyo, kasi papasok kayo dyan, right? Ayan, sa gate na yan. Unang kanto, kakanan lang kayo here. Nandito na agad yung isang lote. Pagkakanan nyo dito, kakanan lang kayo ulit here. So ayan, no? Yung lote na yan, somewhere there, nandyan yung first lot natin. Baba tayo, mas tutukan natin kung nasan siya. Nasa likod tayo ngayon ng ating first reopened lot, which is considered a prime lot. Kasi nakita nyo naman, no, nung nag-drive tayo, pumasok tayo ng konti at lumapit tayo sa clubhouse on how accessible it is on our main clubhouse and sa main entrance. As in, konting lakad nyo nga lang walking distance talaga siya nasa main entrance at clubhouse na kayo. So this is considered a prime lot, and the size of this lot is 353 square meters. So if you guys are looking, no, for a spacious lot, I can recommend you this one at mas accessible siya dahil prime lot nga sa clubhouse at main entrance. So since this is a prime lot, the price per square meter inclusive of VAT, no, is at 49,884.09 per square meter. So total contract price niya, no, kasama yung VAT, no, is at 17.6 million. So magdi-discuss tayo ng computation yan mamaya, pero ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ngayon kung gaano siya kalapad or yung frontage niya. So the frontage is from here, from where I stand, lakad tayo, no, para makita nyo kung gaano kalapad yung frontage nyo. Since we're talking about 353 square meter lot here. Again, almost 400 square meters. Hanggang dito siya, yung endpoint niya. So imagine kung gaano kalawak or kalapad yung frontage ninyo. Ang ganda na magiging frontage ng house ninyo. And palatandaan din, no, para mas ma-picture out nyo, pinapakita namin ngayon yung top view kung ano yung itsura ng lote. So as you can see right now, no, zino-zoom namin ni Gion ngayon kung ano yung itsura ng lote. Hindi siya perfect square. Pero that's okay. Dahil kahit na merong character, no, yung lote ninyo, parang perfect square na rin naman dahil yung likod pwede nyong gawing open space. So pinapakita namin siya ngayon at lalapit tayo ng konti, no? So, nakatayo tayo ngayon sa mismong lot. Ang lapad po niya, no, palapad siya na parang pa-rectangular po yung shape. And ang pinaka-importante, no, for this lot is the computation. Again, this is located in Block 39, Lot 15. The size is 353 square meters. Total of 18,309,423 pesos and 27 centavos. So, sinama ko na po yung other charges at yung miscellaneous fee para po nakapasok na lahat at wala nang hidden charges sa dulo. Again, 353 square meters kasama na yung other charges, miscellaneous fees at total contract price VAT inclusive. That's at 18,309,423 pesos and 27 centavos. The down payment, which is at 18 months down payment, is around 95,050 pesos and 46 centavos. So, how it works? So, for example, you reserve this lot at 50,000 pesos, for example, November 30, 2024. Mag-start po yung first monthly down payment nyo at around 95,050 pesos and 46 centavos at December 30. So, that's 1 month after your date of reservation, and then 18 months po siya or 1.5 year. So, again, 0% interest siya. After ng 18 months, yung maiiwan na balance, no, which is at around 16 million pesos, you can loan it through bank, or dahil mababa lang po at naka 18 months down payment kayo at 0% interest, you can pay anytime and any amount you can on top of the 95,000 pesos para mas nababawasan po yung ilo-loan nyo sa dulo. Or baka nga, lagi ko itong tinuturo, baka wala na po kayong i-loan sa dulo dahil baka mag-balloon payment kayo or sobrang konti na lang kaka-advance payment nyo, no, during the course of down payment na pwede nyo nang i-cash out yung matitira after 1.5 years. So again, you bought a lot without paying any interest para mas makapag-focus naman tayo sa house construction cost. Again, this is a 353 square meter prime lot very near main entrance and clubhouse. Recap for this lot, I give you the 360-degree view. And on to our second lot. So second lot, mas prime po ito, no, kaysa kanina. Though mas loob siya or mas naka-atras siya sa clubhouse, mas prime po ang consideration sa kanya kasi mas konti lang kayo, no, sa area na yon. It's a perimeter lot, wala kayong kapitbahay sa isang side, and then sa likod, bukod doon, end lot pa po siya. Smaller siya, no? Dun sa nauna nating first lot, it's only a 299 square meter. Pero I love this lot kasi mas exclusive inclusive siya, mas quiet, and wala na talagang magdadaan, no? Or dadaan ng mga sasakyan dito dahil technically parang perimeter na siya eh. So hindi na siya daanan. Ito na siya, no? Yung katabi nung bahay na to, ito po siya. So babaan natin and then videohan natin siya. At my back is the 299 square meter lot, considered the primest lot, no, sa lahat ng mga nag-reopen natin. So pakita ulit namin sa inyo yung shape. Almost perfect rectangle, right? So if you want an almost perfect rectangle lot, napakadali pong design ng bahay, then this is for you. And very healthy lang po yung size, no? Kung gusto niyo ng spacious, maglaki kayo ng dipping pool, or magkaroon kayo ng garden, no, next to your lanay, I think this is very good. So tignan natin kung gaano siya kalapad, no, or yung frontage niya. Napakadali lang nito dahil may neighbor na kayo. So mula dito sa property line or edge ng neighbor nyo, hanggang dito sa kabilang dulo. So I'm walking right now para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda to. Ang ganda talaga ng lot na to. Hanggang dito po sa area na to. So ano lang yung kapitbahay nyo? Dito lang tsaka sa likod. Imagine, no, kaya considered as primest lot siya. The price per square meter of this lot is at 54,129 pesos per square meter inclusive of VAT. So the total contract price for this 299 square meter prime lot, included na ang miscellaneous and other charges, is at 16,831,000 pesos, 660 and 26 centavos. So katulad ng nauna nating pinakitang lot, 18 months to pay ang down payment at only 87,137 pesos and 40 centavos. So for this November, nag-reserve kayo ng 50,000 pesos. The following month, December, mag-start ang 18th month down payment nyo at around 87,000 pesos at 0% interest. After 1.5 years, ang balance na matitira including the miscellaneous expenses, which is at around 15 million pesos, you can loan it through bank. At para mas mapapaba siya, yung lagi kong sinasabi, advance payment at the course of down payment term dahil 0% interest, or baka pwede kayong mag-balloon payment, mag-personal savings kayo sa sarili nyo, and then pag nakaipon kayo after the 18th month down payment, pwede nyo siya i-cash out. So anywhere, kung mag-loan kayo or mag-cash kayo, pwedeng-pwede. Ang mahalaga, you bought it na hindi kayo maglalabas ng malaking chunk ng pera, pero no, na-freeze nyo na or nalalak-in nyo na yung price per square meter, lalo na below market value to upon reservation period. And you have the chance, no, na hindi mag-loan dahil yung down payment naka-stretch siya to 1.5 years. So again, this is a 299 square meter perfect rectangle prime lot, and I give you the 360-degree view. On to our third lot. So itong third lot natin, no, ito yung pinaka-steal. Kasi ito yung pinakamura, way below market value at 47,000 pesos per square meter. At small lot cut, sa mga naghahanap ng small lot cut dyan, this is just only 194 square meters. So, nagsimula ulit tayo dito sa clubhouse, tsaka dito sa main gate, umikot lang tayo para mas ma-imagine nyo, it's as if you are tripping right now kahit nanonood lang kayo sa YouTube ko, dyan sa comfort ng home nyo. So, pagpasok dito, no, sa main gate, kakanan lang ulit sa unang kanto, parang yung pinasukan natin kanina, papunta sa lote. Pero ito, medyo mas naka-atras siya, pero hindi rin naman mapapansin, no, lalo na kapag naka-car or pag naglalakad, kasi mukha lang siyang malayo, no, pero malapit lang talaga. So pupunta tayo sa pinakalote, and babagalan ko po, ipapakita namin ngayon yung mga type of architecture na pwede nyong itayo, kasi ang ating theme dito is Modern Asian. So imagine, no, if we are looking for a Modern Asian lot, no, or a Modern Asian core architecture or modern tropical, very perfect po yan for a retirement home kasi airy siya, and at the same time, hindi siya ganun, kumbaga, hindi siya ganun kasikip, no, na tignan, lalo na sa loob ng layouting. Bawal po mag-gate dito, parang sa mga houses natin on the western part of the world or sa Australia, US, and then Canada. But Please po, don't worry dahil very safe po, nasa exclusive subdivision po tayo. At dahil semi-underground, itong utilities natin at electrical wirings dito kay Solen Residences, you don't need to worry dahil hindi po ganun kadami ang magiging overhead electrical wirings natin, lalo na sa mga main road in which dinadaanan natin ngayon. At the same time, no, 60% of the master plan community are dedicated for open spaces. So imagine, no, ma-enjoy nyo yung mga nakikita nyong trees right now, and it feels like wala talaga kayo sa subdivision kasi nga na-balance ng developer na kahit na marami kayo sa isang community, hindi nyo mafe-feel na sobrang dami nyo dahil na-balance nila na ang ganda ng mga puno, ang ganda po ng mga landscaping, lalo na of course yung pinagmamalaki natin na clubhouse nila na doon po tayo mag-e-add ng credit para sa mga hindi pa nakanood sa video before, mapapanood nyo po siya ulit. So, nandito yung lote, somewhere here sa mga bakanteng lote, bababa na tayo para makita natin mismo yung lote. So we're at the back of our third lot, which is the most cheapest or the cheapest and the most affordable dahil 194 square meter at pinakamababa siya per square meter dahil nasa 47,000 pesos lang siya for again 194 square meter lot area. So nandito siya, puntahan natin no yung frontage niya. So from here where I stand right now, hanggang dito po yung frontage ng lote natin. So under construction lang, may nire-repair lang na pipings dito but don't mind it, mabilis naman mag-respond ang community and imagine no, meron pang ganitong sign. So saan kayo nakakita ng ganitong community na may sign na under construction yung nire-repair nila. So hanggang dito yung frontage natin. Sa top, no, pag makita niyo yung pinaka-shape ng lote, pinapakita namin ngayon ni Gion, it's a perfect square or almost perfect square lot. So kung hindi naman kayo naghahanap ng malaking lote, no, kung naghahanap lang kayo ng healthy size lang, no, 2 to 3 bedrooms, this is the perfect lot for you. Kasi imagine, this is a steal guys because at 47,000 pesos per square meter at 194 square meter lot area, the total contract price including the miscellaneous and other charges is only at 9,653,167 pesos and 69 centavos. At ang down payment niya, since siya yung cheapest, no, parang steal or pamigay nilang, 6 months down payment lang po ito. But kahit na, no, at least you still have time. So kapag nag-reserve kayo ng 50,000 pesos per ngayong month, no, ng November, mag-start ang first at second down payment natin ng December at January at 206,642 and 60 centavos. Yung third to sixth month down payment nyo magiging 231,642 and 60 centavos. And then after ng half year or 6 months, saka natin pwedeng i-loan yung balanse at miscellaneous expenses at around 4 million pesos na pwede nyo i-loan sa bank or pwede nyo i-pay in cash after the 6-month down payment term. So again, this is a steal guys, 194 square meter, perfect shape na pa-square na lote dito sa Solen Residences. And I give you the 360-degree view para mas ma-familiarize kayo sa neighborhood ng lote na to. Punta na tayo sa fourth lot natin mula dito sa pangatlong lot natin. Pinapakita namin sa inyo yung itsura ng modern tropical or yung type of architecture na pwede nyo sundin. And disclaimer, no, baka nagtataka kayo bakit may mga maliliit na electrical wiring. Nakikitap lang kasi yung nagpapagawa sa neighborhood na to, no, or sa block na ito, pero hindi po forever yung nandyan. Kaya wag po kayo mag-worry, no? Hindi po yan forever, nakikitap lang po again, no, yung nagpapagawa na ka-block niya ng bahay na yon. So para mas ma-imagine nyo anong itsura ng modern tropical na architecture dito sa Solen Residences. So itong susunod natin na lote, very secluded siya, pero I love, actually ako kasi no, parang kahit ano naman yung lote na mapuntahan or mabili natin dito sa Solen, kahit malapit sa gate or hindi malapit sa gate, exclusive naman na siya. Actually, nandito na tayo sa lote habang nagsasalita ako. Mukhang mas marami pa ako sasabihin, no? Kaysa sa hanggang makarating tayo. Pero nandito tayo sa area na to. So, technically, hindi siya ganun ka-secluded, but at the same time, you still enjoy, no, the peace, the quiet, no, and the tranquility of the community. I like the vibe here kasi kahit mainit siya, ang presko. Nasa likod ako ng lote natin, puro mga bamboo, pero ang hangin dito, no? Hindi naman halata sa buhok ko, no? Mahangin dito sa area. Kahit na 12 in the afternoon dito, iba pa rin talaga yung breeze dito sa area, lalo na high yung land elevation dito sa buong Santa Rosa, Laguna. So technically, dalawa lang yung kapitbahay mo. Pero ang katapat mo kasi is an island, no? Kaya hindi ka masyadong mag-worry na may kapitbahay ka sa tapat. Kaya considered as prime lot din to at 52,000 pesos per square meter. So alamin natin kung gaano kalapad yung frontage niya. So from here on where I stand right now, hanggang dito po siya. Malawak yung frontage niya actually. Hanggang dito sa may tree. And mula dito sa frontage na to, ipapakita naman namin yung shape. So pinapakita namin ngayon yung shape, no, using our map. This is a perfect square na naman. So if you are looking sa quite nasa gitna ka ng small at saka medyo malaking lot, this is perfect for you. 236 square meter lot at 52,000 pesos per square meter. Considered as prime lot also. And then the total contract price, including the VAT and other charges, is at 12,773,868 and 40 centavos. So, 18 months to pay down payment to. Very good news. If nag-reserve kayo ng 50,000 pesos this November, ang start ng inyong first monthly down payment is on December pa at 65,408 and 93 centavos. So, that's 18th month. And then after 18 months or 1.5 year, may maiiwan kayong 11.5 million pesos na balanse na you can loan it, no, through bank or baka ma-pay nyo siya in cash kapag nag-balloon payment kayo sa dulo na down payment nyo or nag-a-advance kayo anytime and any amount you can on top of your fixed monthly down payment at 0% interest. So, isa ito sa favorite lot cut ko. Ibibigay namin sa inyo yung 360-degree view para makita nyo yung tapat niya na island lang. There you have it, guys. So to our clients, not just here in the Philippines, but our Filipinos abroad in the United States of America, Canada, Australia, Europe, and in other parts of the world, baka kayo na po ang makapag-invest ng retirement lot nyo or lot nyo perfect for family building dito sa reopened lots na below market value only here in the beautiful Solen Residences. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Again, this is Jair Mamaklay, your property geek. And if you are interested to inquire in this project and below market value na lots, please feel free to contact me at my iMessage, local mobile phone, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That's +63927 185 1590. My email address, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, Facebook page, The Property Geek, or you can directly message me at my personal Facebook account. That's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. We are still contributing at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section twice a month. At malapit na po yung Pasko dito. Baka naman po uuwi kayo magbabakasyon. Let's meet po and have some cup of coffee. And I will be very happy to share my knowledge about real estate investment here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok, guys. Again, this is Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to Santa Rosa.